Bitcoins are becoming increasingly popular, and their use is expanding at an accelerated rate across the globe. We'll be able to comprehend this process if we look at the various elements of Bitcoin that make them what they are. Bitcoin has 5 characteristics: decentralization, transparency, fast, non-repudiable, and opaqueness. Let's go into details now. 1. Decentralization. Bitcoin's decentralization is the first and most important feature. Bitcoin has no central authority, unlike traditional currencies, which are issued and administered by a central authority, which could be the government of a country or any other entity. Bitcoin's decentralization offers a number of advantages over traditional cash, including immunity from seizure, taxation, and theft. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 2. Transparency. It is widely known to us that no one knows how much Bitcoin a person possesses, but it is obvious to everyone on the ledger board how many transactions have been made by which user and who is the Bitcoin receiver. As a result, everyone in the Bitcoin ecosystem understands the transaction. And, based on the above-mentioned history on the ledger board, the asset possessed by each person can be easily determined if one so desires. 3. Fast. Bitcoin is faster than other banks or any other means of transaction. When money is delivered in the form of Bitcoin, it takes only a few minutes to get from one end of the planet to the other. Simultaneously, if the same money is sent via any other bank or method, it will take a week or more to arrive. 4. Non-repudiable. This trait refers to the fact that once Bitcoin has been sent, it cannot be returned unless the recipient is ready to do so. It implies there's no going back. The receiver won't be able to claim he never received any Bitcoin. 5. Opaqueness. Bitcoin users remain anonymous, and there is no way to trace them back to them. There is no requirement for any legal documents to aid in the identification of the individual. This is also why no government has any way of knowing who is behind a given account. Simultaneously, when you open a bank account or conduct transactions through the bank, they will require your address, phone number, and legal documents. On transactions, they will have a thorough record of the date, time, amount, receiver, and every other detail. That is the end of our video. Hope you can now understand more about the characteristics of Bitcoin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinMaster for more useful videos.